today we'll talk about how can you hit your profile on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on your photo profile down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Come here to post, click in this sign. So in here you click here on get here. Then it's going to present your profile on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you.